Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you how to play Bon Jovi's Runaway guitar solo. It's their first song they ever had. Alright, let's get started. You're going to do a unison bend. What that means is you're going to bend on the 7th fret of the G and have your finger on the 5th fret of the B. And do a staccato. Sounds like this. Do that 4 times and then do it regular 3 times after that. And then do 5/8 on the B. And then bend again, release it, pull off to the 5, and then 7 on the D. So you're going to hammer on 5 to 7 on the G, and then back to the 5. And bend again on the 7th fret of the G, and then 5 and 8 on the B. Then it's 5/3 on the D, and 5/5 on the A. And then 3/5 on the A, back to 3/3 on the A, to 5 on the E. Then what he does, 5/5 on the G, 7 on the D, then you go down to the 8th fret of the high E, do that twice, to the 10 on the B. So those two. And then slide from the 10 to the 12 on the B. And then 10, 10. Has to bend on the 12th of the B string. Release it, pick it again. One coming down. Then 10 on the B, 12 on the G. Playing double stop on the 10th fret on the B and E. Hammer onto the 12th. Hit the 10 on the E, play this twice, 12 on the B, 10 on the E, and then 10 on the B to 12 on the G. Let's play the 19th on the G string and 20th on the B string. Play that 3 times. And then 17 on the G to 19 on the D string. Now here's the fast slide runs. He does 7 on the D, then 5 on the G, back to 7 on the D. These are all the same, all 3 notes. Then 5 on the G, 5 on the B, back to 5 on the G. And then 9 on the G, 8 on the B, back to 9 on the G. Then you go all the way up to 14th on the G, to 13th on the B, back to 14th on the G. 17 on the G, to 15th to 17th. Up 2 more frets, do the same thing. Go to the B string, plays 15th on the B to the 17th on the E, back to the 15th. Slide from the 17th to the 20th on the B, to the 17th on the E, holds that bend on the 20th fret of the B, back to the 17th on the high E, and then together the 20th bending on the B and the 17th on the high E. Then do 17, 19, 20 on the high E, 19 and then 17 to 20 on the B. Hammer on pull off on the 17th to the 19th on the high E to the 20th on the B. Then a hammer on again to the 17th to the 19th. Then pull off from the 20th to the 19th to the 19th to the 17th. The 20th on the B and 17th on the high E. And 17 on the high E, pull off from the 20th to 17th, do that again, then 19th on the G, 17th on the B, all together. Holds that bend on the 19th fret of the G string, release it to the 17th, Then pull off from 17th, 19th to the 17th on the D, 17th on the G, 2 more pull-offs on the D string, 19th and the 17th, to the 19th on the A. All together, slow.